Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to the Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen Little Crafter. Additional information about this show and my podcast show, Arts and everything in between can be found on my website, eileenlittlecrafter.com. Alrighty, guys. So today I am going to be sharing with you what I kept in my Stitch Fit box. So basically, this is all about the summer vibes. Here are some key pieces. Um, and thank you to my stylist Lisa. So let's get into this. All right, so this first piece, I think it's because I tried it on and I forgot to put it inside out. Okay, so this first piece would definitely need to be worn with a